What do you mean by collisions? An isolated event in which two or more moving body exert forces on each other for a short times. अगर कोई एक ऑब्जेक्ट एक पर है या फिर मूव कर रहा है, दूसरा ऑब्जेक्ट आकर उसको स्ट्राइक कर रहा है, दैट इज कॉल्ड कोलिजन्स. दैट मीन्स वी कैन ऑब्जर्व इट फॉर ए वेरी शॉर्ट टाइम्स. Then types of collision if we will observe, then elastic, inelastic, completely inelastics, right? What about the difference? Elastic collisions means kinetic energy is conserved, no loss of kinetic energy. Initial and final positions को अगर देखेंगे, then what happened? Initial kinetic energy is your, if one object is your m1 with velocity v1, it will move. m2 is another object of velocity 0, that means rest positions. Next, final after collisions, final positions is your m1 will be at rest, that means velocity is 0, and m2 will move with the same velocity of m1. If we will take m1 is equals to m2, then what happened? Both kinetic energy are equals. Otherwise, half m1 v1 square is equals to half m2 v2 square. Okay, or v2 is equals to v1 in that case. Okay, so what happened? Initial kinetic energy is your half mv square, and final kinetic energy is your also half mv square. If we will take m1 and m2, both are equal. This is the case of your elastic. That means if one object is moving, another object is coming towards that object, then the second object which is in rest, that will move with the velocity of the first object. Next, in elastic case, some part of the initial kinetic energy is lost. That means initially if the position is like this, m1 object with velocity v1 moving and m2 object is in rest, then initial kinetic energy half m1 v1 square. Final kinetic energy is your initial object will move in a different velocity, m1 let's take v1 dash, and m2 will move in another velocity, m2 of v2 dash. So kinetic energy is your half m1 v1 dash square plus half m2 v2 dash square. Next is about the completely inelastic case. If we discuss completely inelastic, then total kinetic energy is lost, or initial kinetic energy is completely lost or changed. So initially what happened about its positions? If m1 is moving with velocity v1, m2 is moving with velocity 0, that means rest positions, then what about the kinetic energy? Half m1 v1 square. Then final positions is about, in complete elastic, both will move in a different velocity simultaneously. That means half m1 v m2, m1 plus m2 into v dash square. So completely your lost, initial kinetic energy will lost. So this is the case of completely inelastic.